Aaj
Hello everyone, welcome to FactFeed. I am Rayat Chaudhary, a final year computer science and engineering student at Maulana Bhashani Science and Technology University. I spearheaded the AI integration and crafted the intuitive front-end experience you will see today.
and I am Sheikh Jaid bin Hassan, also a final year CSE student at Maulana Bhashani Science and Technology University. I architected the robust backend infrastructure that powers our platform scalability and performance. Together, we have built something we are truly excited to share with you. FactFeed, Bangladesh's first AI-powered news aggregation and fact-checking platform.
Let me ask you a question. How many of you check multiple news sources to get the complete picture of a breaking story? In Bangladesh, news consumption is fragmented. We have dozens of reputable newspapers, but readers jump between Prothom Alo, Daily Star, Jugantar, and others, trying to piece together the full story. This creates three major pain points.
First, information overload. The same story appears across multiple sources with slight variations, creating confusion rather than clarity. Second, different newspapers sometimes present conflicting facts about same events, leaving readers uncertain about what actually happened. Third, inefficiency. People spend valuable time manually cross-referencing sources instead of getting a consolidated verified view of facts.
What if there was a way to automatically gather, analyze, and present news from multiple sources while highlighting discrepancies? That's exactly what FactFeed does.
FactFeed is an intelligence news aggregation platform that transforms how Bangladeshis consume news. Here's what makes it special. Our system continuously scrapes articles from five major Bangladeshi newspapers, processing hundreds of articles daily. Using advanced AI, we group related articles about same events, eliminating duplicate reading. We identify and highlight discrepancies between sources promoting media literacy and critical thinking.
But technology is only as good as its user experience. FactFit presents all this intelligence through a clean, intuitive interface where users can browse clustered news events instead of individual articles, see at a glance which sources covered each story, identify contradictions with visual highlights, search and filter content effortlessly. Think of it as your personal news analyst working 24/7 to give you the complete unbiased picture. Let's dive into the technical excellence behind FactFeed. On the front end, we have built a modern responsive application using React 19 and TypeScript for type safety and maintainability. Tailwind CSS for consistency, beautiful styling, White for lightning fast development and builds. Our AI integration, on the other hand, is where the magic happens. We leveraged Google Gemini with custom Bengali optimized prompts. Here's a key innovation. Instead of processing articles one by one, we batch 20 articles simultaneously, reducing API costs by 95% while maintaining the high quality summaries.
The backend is built for scale and reliability using Spring Boot on Java 21, leveraging the latest performance improvements GPA with Postgres, ensuring data integrity and efficient queries, asynchronous processing using compatible feature for concurrent operations. Our architecture follows microservice principles. We separate modules for scraping service, AI processing service, and event management service. The scraping service handles the data collection from news sources. The AI processing service manages summarization and clustering. The event management service handles the final event creation and discrepancy detection. This modular approach ensures maintainability and allows independent scaling of different components.
Now let me show you FactFit in action. Uh, here's here's our main interface at localhost 5173. Notice how instead of seeing hundreds of individual articles, users see some clustered events. Here are the clusters. Here we can see that we have a news where we can see discrepancy between the various sources, and we have the sources presented here. And think of it like one event that we like to explore, and we like to know all the news sources for this news. Let's see this news. পিআর পদ্ধতি আর নির্বাচনী সংস্কার নিয়ে রাজনৈতিক আলোচনা. We can see clearly here we have gathered or clustered every news regarding this topic from various newspapers like প্রথম আলো, ইত্তেফাক, যুগান্তর, বিডি প্রতিদিন and বিডি প্রতিদিন. Each news consists of a comprehensive summary of the event, source indicators showing which newspapers covered it, and confidence scores for our clustering algorithm.
Behind the scenes, let me show you some key code snippets. For the scraper service, we have built a scraping service with Selenium and JSON. Selenium for dynamically getting the valid URLs for articles. After getting the valid URLs, we are getting the static data from the article URLs with JSON. And this is the scraping controller, article, article scraping service. This service calls the URL discovery first, then first discovers the URLs, valid URLs, then get with the list of valid URLs, the JSON extracts the data and saves to uh, database.
Okay, here is the summarization service. So for summarization, we are using obviously Gemini API. So for the Gemini API, we can see that we are concurrently utilizing multiple API keys for free, and to scale this, we are summarizing the news we scraped from the newspaper scraper. Then from those summarized parts, we are clustering them into various groups so that we can say that this news belongs to this. So after that, we do the event mapping service. So then with the summaries, we prompt Gemini again to ask which group does this belong to. After the groups are separated and marked that this belongs to this news belongs to this group, then we do another prompt where we do the aggregate summary. Anyway, let's get back to our presentation. So the roadmap, we are not stopping here. Our roadmap includes real-time updates with WebSocket integration, Redis caching for sub-second response times, automated schedule for continuous news monitoring, and mobile app for on-the-go news consumption.
FactFeed represents more than just a technical project. It's our contribution to promoting media literacy and informed citizenship in Bangladesh. We
We
have
have
combined
we have
cutting edge
combined cutting edge AI, solid principle engineering principles, and user-centered design to create something that can genuinely improve our society consumes news. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.